Look at this, guys. Oh my God! One of the seagulls almost just got hit by a car. Did you see that? Oh, they're here again. Look, they're here. Wait, is that bread? Can I have some bread?
Shut the door.
Why?
You don't stop that going on? There's a car coming. Go on.
Here, hold the camera.
Don't wait till the cars go. I don't want them to see us feeding this bird.
Oh, come on. Hold the camera, please. I want to feed him. Here.
Stop. I said wait till the cars pass.
Okay, they're gone. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera!
Why?
I want to see the recorder.
I'm not.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm feeding them bread. Oh my God. They're coming in close. Oh my God.
Too close.
Oh no.
Give me a piece. I want to record. Oh. Take this.
Okay, I recorded you doing it. Here, you can have the rest. Here, have the rest. Here, you can have the rest. My mom's feeding them. Can I show your face?
No.
Why? My mom's feeding them now. Oh, they're coming in! Did I scare them away? Look at that, guys. There they are. But you still have bread left. They're fighting over it. Look at them. They're fighting over it. You need to take a video on your Kindle.
Door shut. I don't protect you. These are like cheese puffs.
Cheese puffs? Are you insane? They're like bread. What? They're eating it. You're fighting over it. They're fighting over the cheese puffs.
Hi, stop.
Why? Why?
Decline to see them. Alright.
I need to get rid of you. Oh my God! That's a lot of seagulls. That's a whole lot of seagulls. That's a whole lot of seagulls, bud. It's a whole lot of seagulls, bud.
Okay.
I'm trying to make it in, I mean.
Oh my God, my hand.
It's better for that way.
It's empty. Eat them all.
You need to get your Kindle, take a picture.
Oh my God.
They see us.
Get over here.
Why? They'll think we're just recording seagulls flying in their house. It's fine.
Damn, they just swallow it. Can't even shoot it. Okay, that's it. No more.
Hey, you're recording on. You're saying cuss words on my family.
Don't put me on there.
You're putting cuss words in my family-friendly YouTube channel, Mom.
Well, then you can't put it on there. Bye, Birdie.
Can I please put on there?
Not me. You put me on there too much.